Another day of stocks ending sharply down and the dollar losing value. Taking a closer look at that market sell-off, taking a live look over Wall Street, this morning stocks rebounding. That's after the U.S. dollar index fell on Monday to its lowest level in more than 3 years. The Dow plunging nearly 1,000 points, almost 2.5% of value. The S&P 500 and the NASDAQ were both closed down more than 2%, leaving all three indices on pace for their worst month since 2022. And this morning, President Trump ramping up his criticism of the Federal Reserve, while investors express lingering concerns about tariffs. Plus, growing fears over President Trump's threats to oust Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell. The president now placing the blame on the man he appointed, attacking him for the state of the market. But many on Wall Street disagree.
I think the markets are reacting to our president. Clearly, the policies are absolutely erratic. There is no strategy. The Fed is an independent agency. This is part of the point of effective monetary policy. But Donald Trump believes he's a one-person rule.
Experts say President Trump is just the latest in a long line of presidents to publicly try and influence the Fed, despite its independence from politics. Right now, it's not clear whether Trump has the power to remove Powell, as previous efforts by Trump to remove members of independent agencies have ended up at the Supreme Court. Meanwhile, Trump argues the economy will continue to slow if the Federal Reserve Chair doesn't lower interest rates. This morning, the chairman is pushing back at the president, saying the rates are fine where they are when inflation is still above the 2% target, along with economic uncertainty.